Will the market crash again in 2023 before Bitcoin halving? Yes. Or will it just have a healthy pull for a short period? You have to remember that Bitcoin and the stock market are parallel to one another. Okay, whatever one does, I should be corrected. I will be correcting myself. Stock market, I think, will do well. Okay, but the actual fiat currency will probably be sucky. It was sucky now. Just ask anybody from Europe, UK. Money doesn't buy anything anymore. Once the Federal Reserve stops doing the thing that they were doing in the last little while, by putting interest rates and all that crap, you're going to see stock market and cryptocurrencies surge. Okay. And this is kind of what we saw after Ron Powell took the stand the last time. We were kind of predicting that it was going to go down a little bit, and it did the day after. But usually when we're going to raise interest rates, blah, 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 the stock market goes for a short period of time. Okay. It didn't happen this time around. It actually went up. That's the opposite of what we were thinking of it doing until the next day. Then everything went a little bit down. Once they stopped doing the interest rate thing, you're going to see everything surge. And I think he announced that this may be the last time. There may be one more time that they're going to be putting interest rates up again. Once that happens, you're going to see the stock market and the cryptocurrencies, because they're tied together, surge. But they have to go back to printing endless cash money, fiat currency, until they bring in the new system, which have our fiat currency based on an actual commodity outside of oil. So when you print more money, it becomes less and less purchasing value, right? So they're going to have to print more to keep and sustain the stock market, okay? Because you don't want that crashing, okay? So you're just going to keep printing money into oblivion, where $1 US is going to be equivalent to half a penny in purchasing power, okay? But we're getting millions of dollars, but unfortunately, it can't even buy me a loaf of bread. So we're going to get into that situation very, very soon. Stock market's doing good, and that's what they're focused on. Okay, so on the other hand, it's going to be exploding the price of cryptos, because cryptos are based on the American dollar, right? So if it takes $1 million American dollars to buy one Bitcoin, it's because, not just because Bitcoin is amazing, and it is, it just means that the fiat currency that you're tying it to is really sucky. And you need more of them to buy one Bitcoin, because Bitcoin holds its value much, much better. Okay? So hopefully that kind of frames it for you, so you kind of understand what's going on. Okay? Thank you for that question.